In this video, I'll show you how to stop Bluetooth from turning on automatically when your Ubuntu system starts. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time. Now, we will check the current Bluetooth status. Type the command rfkill list Bluetooth. This shows if Bluetooth is currently soft or hard blocked. Next, we'll stop the Bluetooth service from starting at boot. Type the following command sudo systemctl disable bluetooth.service. Enter your password if asked. This disables the Bluetooth service on startup, but it doesn't turn it off right now. If you want to turn off Bluetooth immediately, type sudo systemctl stop bluetooth.service. Now Bluetooth is off and it will stay off after a reboot. Now reboot your system to check if the change worked. Type sudo reboot. After your system starts again, Bluetooth should stay off. You can confirm by running rfkill list Bluetooth. It should now show Bluetooth as blocked or not active. This is how you stop Bluetooth from starting automatically on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.